everyone, this is day 9 of DSA problem solving challenge, and today I have solved a problem which is 443 from Leet code, which is string compression. Given an array of characters, chars compress it using the following algorithm. Means we have to compress the string. So begin with an empty string s for each group of consecuting repeating characters in chars. If the group length is 1, append the characters to s. Otherwise, append the character followed by the group's length. Means if there is only one character, then we will return that one character only. If there is multiple characters having the same value, then we will first write that character. After that, we will write its length. Means how many times it appears over there. The compressed string s should not be written separately, but instead be stored in the input character array chars. Note that group length that are 10 or longer will be split into multiple characters in chars. Means we have to store that output inside that chars array only. We don't have to use another array for that. Note that group length. That's it. After you are done modifying the input array, return the new length of the array. Means after modifying the input array, means after giving the output, we have to return the new length also. Means how much length is of that array. You must write an algorithm that uses only constant extra space. Means we have to use one algorithm which returns the numeric value into the characters. The character in the array beyond the return length do not matter and should be ignored. Okay. Input chars A, B, B, C, C, C. Here we have one character array. We have to return the length of that array. Means here A, B, B, C, C, C. Means we have to first compress this array. After that, we have to return the length of that compressed array. Means here comes 2 times A, here comes 2 times B, here comes 3 times C. First we will write A, after that we will write the length of that A. Means A comes 2 times, we will write A, after that we will write 2. In the same way we will do for B. First we will write B, then how many times it comes or appears over there, we will write that. So here B comes 2 times, so we will first write B and then we will write 2 over there. After that we have C. First we will write C and checks how many times C appears over there. Here comes 3 times, so we will write 3 after C. Means we have used 6 spaces. Means the length of that array must be 6. So we have already done with the problem explanation. Let's move to the logic part. So talking about the logic for today's problem, here we have one string which is A, B, B, C, C, C. These are the characters stored in the string. So we have to compress this in the form A2, B2, C3. Means here we write first A and then we will count the value of A and that count value will be stored over here. After that we move forward to B. Then we write B over here. After that we will count the value of B, what times it comes over in the string. Then we will move forward to C. We will count the value 1, 2, 3. 3 times C is here, so we write 3 over here. So we write these values inside the character string itself only. We will delete this part and insert this part inside this. So here is the character string. We first initialize A. After that 2 is numeric value. Then we will convert it into a character value. Means this will be converted to character. And this 2 will be stored over here. After that we will store B. After that we will store 2. Then C. Then 3. In this way it will be compressed. And the length is 6. Here the length of the string is 7 and here the length of string is 6. Here we have another example. Here string A equals to A. So here we have to count the first check what character is this. Here is A. We will check is A comes again. Yes, here also is A. Then we will count the value of A. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. then a comes 4 times. Then we will convert 4 to the character part and we will store 4 over here. First we will store a, after that we will store 4. So here is the example A, B, B, C, 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 and this, in this way we will count 1, 2. Then we will write A, then 2. After that we will move forward to B. Then we will count the value how many times it comes over here. We will write B. After that we will write 2. After that we will move forward. Here comes C. We first write C. Then how many times it comes over here? It comes 3 times. Then we will write 3 over here and close this string. So ch is initialized with character I index I and count is initialized with 0. What if there is only one character? So we will give output character itself. If value of character is greater than 1, then we will give first character. After that we will return the value of count inside the string. So talking about pseudocode, first will take one idx idx pointer. Then we use one for loop to move from starting index to the ending index of that string. Then we initialize ch with chars I, means ch is equals to character of I. And here we have initialize count equals to 0, means value of count equals to 0. Here we have used while loop. The condition is like this: I should be less than n, and character chars of I equals to ch, means this will check is character equals to chars of I. Then only we will move inside this while loop and incrementing the value of count and incrementing the value of I. Here we will close the loop. We will check for condition, if condition. If count equals to 1, means there is only one character, then we will return that character only. And what if there is more than one character? Then we will have one else condition where we will return the value of character and check for the, means convert the count into n string. This is the function which is used to convert count into n string. So here is for loop which which converts the value of string, means count to string. And here we will get chars idx plus plus digit, means we will store the value of this count value inside the string. And we will so we have already done with the logic part. Let's move to the coding part. Here we have checked the size of that array using n equals to chars dot size. This is the function which is used to check the size of that array. Here we initialize index idx equals to 0. We will use for loop which starts from I equals to 0 to I less than n and incrementing the value of I. Here we have initialized ch equals to chars of I and count equals to 0. And here we have used one while loop which checks for condition I should be less than n and chars of I equals to c, means character value, means that one character value should be equals to chars of I. Then only we will move inside this loop. Here we will increment the value of count and I. Here we have used if condition which count equals to 1, means if there is only one character then we will return that character only, no length of that character, means multiple times of that character. Here we have used else if there is a character having multiple values, means we have a over there 3 times, then we will first return a and then we will write 3 in that character form only. So here we will convert the digit or numeric value into an string or character. Here we will decrement the value of idx, means index value is ahead of I. So we have to decrement that value and we will return idx value, means how many times that I appears over there, how much length of that array. So in this way we'll done with this part. So this is day 9. Thank you. Bye bye.